Your Wilmington home might show $450,000 on the market, but your insurance policy shows $520,000. That's not a mistake, and it doesn't mean your insurance company is overcharging you. There's a real reason for that gap, and understanding it could help you avoid a major financial problem down the road. Market value is what a buyer would pay for your home. That includes your land, your location, and your neighborhood. Replacement cost is different. It's what it would cost to rebuild your home from the ground up after a major loss, including the full construction cost. And if there's debris to remove first, that cost can be included too. Insurance doesn't cover your land. Your lot will still be there after a fire. This is where a lot of homeowners get confused, and it's why many end up buying a policy based on their home's market value instead of its actual rebuild cost. Those are two very different numbers, and basing your coverage on the wrong one can leave you seriously exposed. There are 3 common situations that can change what it costs to rebuild your home. The first is renovations. The second is a roof replacement. Both involve new installation, and new installation costs money to rebuild. If you've done either one and didn't update your carrier, your policy may no longer reflect what your home would actually cost to replace today. The third is rising material costs. As we covered in our other videos, construction costs have gone up significantly since 2020. Your dwelling limit may already fall short, not because anything changed at your house, but because the market changed. Over time, these changes can quietly push your home's rebuild cost higher than the amount your policy actually covers. That gap is what creates underinsurance. And the scary part is, most homeowners don't realize they're underinsured until they have to file a claim. Here's an example. Let's say your home cost $500,000 to rebuild, but your policy only covers $350,000. That leaves a $150,000 gap that could come out of your pocket. In this case, your home is only insured for 70% of its actual rebuild cost. That falls below the common 80% threshold and could lead to a coinsurance penalty, which is complicated, so we'll save that for another video. That's exactly why we created the free homeowner insurance gap analysis. Click the link in the description, upload your policy, and our licensed team will review it. You'll get a custom report based on your actual policy, not a generic report. And if you don't have your policy available, we can still help you run an analysis if you take a minute to provide a few details. Don't wait until you have a claim to find out you're underinsured.